So the process to convert photos to PDF on iPhone is quite easy and simple. So I have these four photos. So first you need to select all the photos for which you want to make the PDF. So I would simply select the photos. And once they are selected, just go and tap on this share button at the left bottom corner. And once you are here, just scroll. And here you should have an option to print. So you can see print here, tap on print. So now you have these photos. What you need to do is just go and tap on the first photo and just zoom in the way you zoom in your photos app with your two fingers. So zoom in, this would happen. And once this has happened, just go and tap on this share button again at the left bottom corner. Now you need to save this PDF in the notes or somewhere. So you can see it is a PDF document. You can also directly save it to files. So if I go and tap on save to file, and I would simply name it as P1, maybe, whatever, and just go and tap on save. So I have saved the PDF file in the files. So if I go and open up the files, and if here I search for the P1, I guess, yeah, this was the name. So you can see I have this PDF file here. Now I can share this PDF file wherever I want to share it. Uh, Share it with the apps, wherever. Just use it, just print it. That's totally up to you. So hope by doing so you'll be able to convert photos to PDF on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.